Ollama versus Mistral, which AI model is better, explores how choosing the right AI model can transform your workflow without compromising performance. We'll briefly look at Ollama's local-first approach and Mistral's cutting-edge open models. Ollama and Mistral are powerful AI models designed for different needs. Ollama focuses on running large language models locally for privacy and speed, while Mistral delivers high-performance open-source models optimized for cloud scalability and versatility. Ollama is a platform that enables users to run advanced language models directly on their own devices. It works by leveraging optimized local compute resources, allowing AI inference without sending data to external servers. This approach enhances privacy and reduces latency. Ollama supports models like Llama 4, providing flexible and secure AI experiences. Its strengths lie in offline capability, data control, and quick response times, making it ideal for users concerned about data privacy or those with intermittent internet access. However, because it relies on local hardware, performance depends on your machine's specifications, which can limit scalability for very large models or heavy workloads. The platform suits developers, researchers, and privacy-conscious users who want AI power without cloud dependency. As described on Ollama.com, Mistral is an open-source AI company focused on delivering state-of-the-art language models optimized for cloud environments. Their models are designed to balance high performance with efficiency, enabling faster inference and better accuracy for a variety of applications. Mistral's architecture supports large-scale deployments, making it suitable for businesses and developers building AI-powered products at scale. Strengths include robust model quality, scalability, and active community support through open-source channels. However, since Mistral models typically run on cloud infrastructure, they require reliable internet connectivity and raise considerations about data privacy depending on implementation. Ideal users include enterprises and AI developers who prioritize cutting-edge performance and cloud integration as detailed on Mistral. Pairing Ollama and Mistral highlights a clear trade-off between local control and cloud scalability. Ollama excels in privacy and offline use, perfect for individuals or teams needing secure, low-latency AI without cloud reliance. For example, a developer working with sensitive data benefits from Ollama's local execution. On the other hand, Mistral shines in delivering powerful, scalable AI models suited for cloud-based applications like customer service bots or content generation platforms. Its open-source nature encourages customization and integration at scale. While Ollama depends on your hardware capabilities, Mistral leverages cloud resources for consistent performance. Choosing between them depends on your priorities, local privacy and control versus cloud power and scalability. Choose Ollama if you need privacy-focused offline AI with fast local responses, especially when working with sensitive data or limited internet access. Opt for Mistral if your projects demand scalable, high-performance AI in the cloud with flexibility for customization. Both platforms excel in their domains, so pick the one that aligns best with your technical needs and privacy preferences.